Hey, hello everyone. This is Celine from It's Simple Artisan Soaps. Today is the day I'll be showing how I make my emulsified sugar scrub for removing tan. So this is something that will be having tomato powder. And tomato, as you all know, is good for removing tan. People normally, if you have a tan, you can just slice a tomato, dip it in sugar, and just scrub it on your face, and it helps remove the tan. So today I'm going to be showing an emulsified sugar scrub for tan. Now, if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to this channel, and welcome back to all my old subscribers. And if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to know when I post my next video, please hit the bell icon for all notifications on anything I post on my channel. So let's go into the making of the uh, emulsified sugar scrub for tan removal. Okay, so this is my hard butters and my wax that is melted. So what I have in this is 12 grams of cocoa butter. I have 8 grams of emulsifying wax. I have 6 grams of beeswax, and I have 4 grams of stearic acid. Now to this I will add my oils. So this is olive oil infused with tomato powder. Okay, so I'm going to be what I need is a total of 50 grams of liquid oils. Okay, so I'm going to be adding 20 grams of this olive oil. That is 20 grams. I have argan oil. I'll add 20 grams of argan oil. And 10 grams of aloe vera oil. Now, so that's total of 50 grams of the oils. Let's mix this up properly. I'm going to put this back on the heat so that I can heat it up a little bit, so that I can add my SCI powder in this. So I have this all remelted. Now in this I have mixed 120 grams of sugar and 5 grams of tomato powder. The tomato powder I just got from Amazon. So that's what's in this. I'll add it to this when this is a little cooler. But in the meantime, what I'm going to add to this is the tomato powder that's settle down at the bottom of the olive oil. Now to this mixture, I'll add SCI powder. Now SCI powder is a very fine powder, and it can get airborne very easily. So if you like to wear a mask, you can do that. Sorry. So SCI powder is surfactant, naturally derived from coconut. Uh, I want to make this kind of like, as a soap and scrub. So that's why I'm using SCI in this. That's what happens when you don't wear a mask when you use SCI. I mean, you don't have to use SCI if you do want to. It's perfectly fine. I just wanted to have a little other kind of an effect, like the soap thing. So now, if you don't want to make it like this, you can obviously just make it with the foaming soap base. You don't have to, you can use a foaming soap base, just add your sugar and whatever oils and tomato powder to it, and you can use it that way. But I wanted to do it as an emulsified sugar scrub because I have made this and I liked it, and that's why I thought I should show it to you all. I have been out at the farmers market, and it's the temperature here is like 105, and I was literally tanned. Besides getting a heat stroke, I was completely tanned. But after using this, my tan at least is better. I'm still going through the heat stroke. I'm still not completely okay from that, but I'm sure that will become okay in a couple of days. So now, since this is going to be uh, in water, this is obviously going to come in touch with water. We need to add a preservative. So today the preservative I'm going to be using is Optifin. I'm going to add a little bit of this to get the temperature down a little, and then I'll add the Optifin. let's add the Optifin to this. You don't want to add the sugar when it is very, very hot because the sugar will melt. Now for me, when I had to remove the tan after my market, I mean obviously immediately I couldn't do anything, but before I went to sleep, what I did was uh, the olive oil that I have, which is infused with the tomato powder. I massaged my face with that, gave it a good massage, left it for around 10 minutes, and then I used this scrub and scrub my face very well, and then I washed it off, and the tan was almost gone. And then I used my cooling face pack, so that my face had gone really red and hot. So I used my cooling face pack, which reduced the redness on my face, and it cooled my face quite a bit. So you can use, I mean, I've not put any essential oils or fragrance oil, but you can do that if you like. Uh, it's it's okay to put in a fragrance oil or an essential oil into this. It's uh, pretty much good to do that, especially if you want to relax. You can use your essential oils. So this made around 7.4 ounces of the emulsified sugar scrub. Now this is pretty, it's still hot. This is going to solidify a little more, but I'll still show you all what it is like on the skin. So let me just get the water. So all you need to do is wet your skin. This is still hot, so but I still show. And then rub it in. And it's gentle enough even to use on your face. Then you can just wash it off. So nice and soft. It's not feeling dry. So this is an excellent scrub for removing tan. So if you all try, do let me know how you all like it. So if you all try this recipe, do let me know how you all like it, because it's kind of really helps my skin. So and I will be showing you all how I make my face pack to go with this. So that will be like a face pack with tomato powder to help with again removing tan. So once you use the scrub, you can obviously put that face pack, and that will help remove all the tan. Or you can use this face scrub. You can use this scrub and then just put on the cooling pack. That helps a lot. That really helped me, at least. This was all, I was actually red and hot when when I had come back from the market, and in the night it was really getting from bad to worse. But using that face pack really helped, and I was developing a headache, but putting it on my head helped cool off my head and my cheeks. So that really helped me. So it's just an advice. I mean, it's up to you all. So that's about it for this one. See you all soon in the next one, which will be the tomato face pack for removing tan. So see you all. Take care. Bye.